Hi everyone, Alena from Intense Memories like to share with you these two Christmas cards. What I want to tell about is in my city, is in Slovakia, Poprad. I have many friends and also family, and we have rules every Christmas. Give them some Christmas card which is handmade. So I start to carousel because I need to make more like 30 Christmas card. Last year I give 70. Okay, so today I go to my nail stylist, and I need 2 cards give there. No more go there, so I give them today. And first one, everything is from leftover paper from a Christmas collection I used many years ago. Okay, so that is first. That is for postcard. I fussy cut this Christmas tree. It's 2 children because lady have 2 children, and then it can stay on the table like this, and here I write wish for them. So that is the first. Next is for her mother, for my nailist style mother, and she have 2 grandchildren, so I put these 2 children there, and it's Christmas tree, presents, and this I fussy cutting, and then I add these red dots and inside look like that, and can stay on the table like this, and that is so beautiful image. So that are my 2 Christmas cards for my friends. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and see you on next video. Bye bye guys.